it's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something that I'll probably regret in like 2 minutes, but I'm going to be mixing all my slimes together. So today I'm going to be mixing 31 of my slimes. Yeah, I have a lot of them. I'll show you guys right here in a second. So I have some slimes over here and over here, like basically everywhere. But yeah, I'm not sure if you can see all these slimes, but I'm gonna be mixing all of them together. So I'm actually super excited to do this. So without further ado, let's just get straight on with the video. So here's the first slime. The second one. The third one. Fourth one. Fourth one, which is super sticky. Oh my god. I don't know what number this is, but this one. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one that sort of got mixed with another one. Goodbye. Oh. And by the way, Bella is behind the camera with this other slushy slime. This one. This clear purple putty from Michaels. Blue one. This green putty. This one. This one. This one is really hard, so I hate this. This one. This slime. This foam. This one, and I don't know how to get this out of container, so wish me luck. Oh my god. This is very liquidy, do not try. This green jiggly one. This slime, or not really slime, but this foam. This mint chocolate slime.
It's all over your hands.
This lavender fluffy slime. This one that's like, ew.
I like it.
Just like that. Ew.
Excuse me. I'm just kidding.
Nice foot.
Thank you. Do you guys like my? Hi guys, say hi to my face.
This lemon curd thing. And these are all the slimes mixed in together, and let's do it. Now I'm going to be mixing all the slimes together, so are you guys ready? Oh my god, I feel so bad. gonna be the ugliest color. Oh my god.
It's like rainbow puke.
So now that it's like pretty much all mixed together, I'm gonna take it out and like knead it sort of. Oh my god, this is huge! So now I'm gonna be trying to lift the slime. Oh my god, it's like honestly so big. This is humongous now. Oh my god, this is absolutely so big. Oh my god. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. It was really fun mixing all my slimes together, and I would probably not do this again because now I totally regret it. But hey, you know, YOLO.
You gotta do what you gotta do for the YouTube people, right?
For the YouTube. Do it for the YouTube. But I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and I just loved making this video for you guys. And it was really fun mixing all my slimes together. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you guys next week